Hi friends, welcome to our video. Today we are going to learn about the different items we use at home. Bed, chair, table, sofa, TV, refrigerator, luggage, sink, toilet, shower, bathtub, mirror, lamp, rug, curtain, plate, cup, forks, knife, spoons, pot, pan, blender, coffee maker, kettle, toilet paper, soap, towel, bottle, window, oven, microwave, dishwasher, washing machine, dryer, vacuum, broom, mop, dustpan, trash can, laundry basket, iron, ironing board, telephone, computer, bookshelf, book, desk, blanket, clock, radio, toaster, pen, pencil, pillow, pillow cover, door, phone, bowl, pressure cooker, calculator, remote, fan, light, candles, comb, camera, coins, key, ladder, plant, shampoo, lock, umbrella, toy, scissor, tap, basket, laptop, gas cylinder. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more fun and educational content.